Alrighty, greetings and welcome back to another, well, I guess wristwatch video. I mean, this is not necessarily wristwatch related. You can basically follow this tutorial to purchase any item on Aliexpress, but we're going to be talking about how to buy watches on Aliexpress. Why? Well, basically because a couple of people have messaged me asking me, oh wow, I like this San Martin or this Escape in Time watch, or this Pagani design watch, but how do I buy them on Aliexpress? Well, this video is for you then. So the first step you're gonna do is actually get onto the Aliexpress site. So you can do that in two ways. You can either type in Aliexpress on Google or just type directly www.aliexpress.com and you will be greeted with the landing page we have right here. And at first glance, it might seem kind of confusing, but by the end of this video, you'll realize it's really not all that complicated to use. So the next thing you should do is you should actually register and make an account on Aliexpress. How do you do that? Well, you go to the upper right corner where the account tab is, and then you click on register. So when we click on register, you're going to choose your location. So mine is Serbia, I'm from Serbia. You're gonna type in your email address and make a password. And when you've done that, and you just click on create account, and congratulations, you have your Aliexpress account. Next, you will go to the sign in part and again, type in your email address and your password. So let's type in our email address and our password. And then you click sign in. And that's it. You are signed into Aliexpress. So the most difficult part is done. So now let's just quickly take a look at what you can actually see on the landing page. So on the left side, you have the categories tab. So this would be one way for you to search for watches. However, it wouldn't be necessarily the fastest way. So you can literally just click on watches. And then you're gonna get a listing of every single item listed as watch on Aliexpress, which is a lot. So that's why, I mean, it's not really the fastest way for you to find it because there's so many listed. I mean, you have all sorts of things in the categories tab, like women's fashion, outdoor fun and sports, home, pet and appliances, etc. Next thing you should pay attention to is this part right here. So this is usually where they inform you that there is a sale going on. So for example, right now, when I'm recording this, it is the beginning of the Aliexpress summer sale. One piece of advice I can give you, be patient when buying items on Aliexpress because they always have some sale going on and usually they have very good discounts. So if you find an item you want to buy, just wait until a sale, or just wait, basically just be patient. You're gonna find it for a lot cheaper price. You have the super deals tab, so you can see, like, for example, this watch is 63% off and this will last for like 22 more hours. And then finally we have more to love. So this is the section of Aliexpress where the algorithm gives you suggestions on maybe some other items you would like to purchase. For example, as you can see, most of the items listed here are watches, along with some other random things which I've never searched for, but okay, I guess it's mostly correct. But yeah, so that's basically, if you're looking for inspiration, you can just go down to the more to love section and maybe you can find something you find interesting. However, let's say that you know exactly what you want to buy, so you know the name of the brand you want to buy. What we're going to be using is the most useful tool on Aliexpress. It is, of course, the search tool, the search bar. So you just type in your keywords and then find the item you wish to purchase. For example, let's say we want to buy an Escape in Time watch, so you just type in Escape in Time watch. And now you're going to be greeted with all the listings which have the keywords Escape in Time watch on it. So now you get to use this upper part here. So these are the filters. You can, for example, set the minimum and maximum price range. You can click on free shipping, so it can just show you the listings with free shipping. And one of the most important parts, the ratings filters. So it will filter out just the items that have a high rating, which will be a very, very important thing for you to pay attention to. And of course, here you can see the name of the different stores which sell the products. So you have the Escape in Time official store, where I would suggest you to buy their items. Or also you have Thai Min Watch Global Store. They basically just buy stuff from the Escape in Time official store and make it almost double the price. So don't buy it from this store, just go from the Escape in Time official store. But let's say you want to buy this particular watch, you will just click on it and then you will be greeted with this page here. So what we can see here, we can see the price, we can click on the different models if there are different models available. I would suggest you to buy this one. I think this one is gorgeous. Here we have the shipping section, so you can choose if you want to have free shipping or some other form of shipping. You would click on more options to view all the shipping options. I mean, for this, it's just free shipping as an option, but usually you would have listings for like DHL, FedEx, UPS, etc. And just a warning, don't go with anything other than free shipping, because usually the shipping costs 2-3 times more than the actual product. Free shipping is pretty slow, but it's worth the wait, trust me. And then when you've chosen what you want to buy, so let's say we want to buy this Tiffany blue Escape in Time watch, you can click on buy now or add to cart. If you click buy now, you will just instantly input your payment details and your address and you will just buy the watch. But if you click on add to cart, you can add it to your cart and continue shopping. You can just view your cart, of course, but you can continue shopping for if you want something additional to buy. Also, you can click on this heart here to add it to your wish list. This is something I use very often. So for example, if you view wish list, you can see some watches that maybe I want to have in mind and wait for a good sale or a good deal in order to buy it for a cheaper price, of course. So I highly suggest you use the wish list option. It's very useful. Okay, then after we scroll down, in this part here, you can actually contact the seller. So send him a message if you have any questions about the product. Maybe you are curious about discount or something. Okay, apparently they said hello. Whoops. Sorry, Escape in Time official store. And then in the descriptions part, you have basically the description of the item with some additional pictures, maybe to get a better idea of how the item actually looks in real life. I mean, these are Photoshop pictures, but you get what I mean. The specifications tab goes into more details about the product. So you have here the dial diameter, the item, the movement of the watch, the case material, etc. By the way, I did a review of the Escape in Time watch in this picture, so find a link of it in the description below if you're interested. And now for the most important part whenever you're buying any item on Aliexpress, the customer reviews. Always, always, always look at customer reviews before you buy a product. As you can see, this one has 4.9 out of 5, so almost a perfect score. So for this item, you are 100% sure you're gonna get a good deal. My advice, anything below a 4.5, you should pay attention to the comments, because chances are that more than 2 or 3 people have had bad experiences with the seller, so just keep in mind, anything below a 4.5, really look into the comments. And here you can see different reviews. You have 5-star, 4-star, 3-star, 2-star, 1-star reviews, and you can click on the individual reviews to see what the 1-star reviews actually say. So for example, these 2 people did not receive their package, and unfortunate, but it's just 2 people out of 222, so I guess it's not so bad. Or let's say the 3-star review, a good watch for him and for her, bad, just inside the trash. Yeah, like for example, this person has no idea what they're talking about. I would say pay tax then, screw down for too fast shipping. Yeah, so some of these comments don't really make a lot of sense. You will see if you start reading them. Like some people, it's like they don't even know what they bought, and then they leave a bad review like, oh, I did not want this, why did I buy this? And then they give it a 1-star review even though like you bought it. But yeah, but basically this is an almost perfect score, so you would just buy it and you would not have any issues. Okay, so let's say you added this one to your cart and you want to buy an additional watch, so you will again go to your search bar and maybe you will type in, I don't know, Saint Martin or Saint Martin, as they say, and you want to buy a Saint Martin watch. Let's see which one. We want to buy the Tissot PRX homage. So now you again would just choose the model you want, and now you can see here the shipping options. So you see we have shipping from China to via FedEx is 23 euros, but 56 euros via DHL. So this is not actually that bad of a shipping price, but they are usually very bad. And then again, you would go to the description to see it more detailed. So as you can see, there's a lot more detail here, and to see the pictures, and this watch does look very gorgeous, like the original Tissot PRX. And again, you would just check the customer reviews. There are none so far. So another piece of advice, if there are no customer reviews, be careful what you're buying. I mean, the San Martin official store has pretty good positive feedback, so you should not be too worried, but keep in mind if there are no customer reviews, then it might be a bit of a risky purchase. But let's say we want this particular item and we say add to cart again. And now let's say we are done with the shopping. So we bought the Escape in Time watch, we want the San Martin watch, then we will view shopping cart. Now, as you can see, the total is 0 because you have to select which items you want to purchase. So you can either select them individually, then you can see our subtotal changing, or you can just click select all if you want to buy everything you put in your cart. And then you have here the payment methods, so you can buy it with Visa, with PayPal, etc. And then if you would click buy, then it would get you to the checkout section where you would just input your payment details and your address, and you would just click buy, and then it will be shipped to you. But let's say, oh, maybe you've changed your mind. Okay, I don't want the San Martin watch. Then what you would do, you would just click the trash icon, click this, and click OK. And now it's been removed. You just have the Escape in Time watch in your shopping cart. But again, I'm not buying anything right now. This is just as a tutorial. Money is a little bit short right at the moment. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all you have to pay attention to. So let's just demonstrate this as well. So if we click on free shipping, these watches will be free shipping. Or if we would click this, this should see 5555555. This should list the items based on the ratings. And yeah, so basically, what are the most important steps? Go to your account, register your profile, sign in. You can use the More to Love section for any recommendations. Use the search bar to type in keywords. When you type in the keywords, click on the item, read the reviews. Customer reviews are the most important part for you to read. Make sure it's a 4.5 or above. If it's below, go into the comments. Make sure that the people who left 1-star, 2-star, 3-star reviews just type nonsense, that it's not that the items come faulty or that the items never arrive. And that's pretty much it. That's how you buy items on AliExpress. So I hope this video helped you, and I hope you will have some good buys during the summer sale. So for more tutorials, more wristwatch related videos, or for more fragrance videos, subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, or leave a thumbs down if you didn't enjoy this video, and maybe give me a suggestion how I can improve my content. And until next time, have a great day and bye.